Hey there, coin enthusiasts and history buffs. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got something special lined up for you. We'll be diving into the fascinating world of numismatics to explore the history and value of a coin that might just be sitting in your collection. I'm your host, your Nymph, and in this video, we're going to take a closer look at the 1979 5 new Pence coin. So, grab your magnifying glass and let's get started. The year 1979 was an interesting time for the United Kingdom. Margaret Thatcher became the UK's first female prime minister, and the Sony Walkman was introduced to the world. But amidst all these events, a tiny coin was minted, the 1979 5 new Pence coin. This coin was part of a series that marked the transition from the old system of pounds, shillings, and pence to the decimal system. It's important to note that before the decimalization process, there were 240 old pence in a pound. Decimalization aimed to simplify the currency system, making calculations easier for everyone. Now, let's take a closer look at the design of this coin. The obverse features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, a common sight on British coins. On the reverse, you'll find a crowned thistle, which is the national emblem of Scotland. This design was the work of renowned coin designer Christopher Ironside. The coin has a diameter of 23.59 m and is made of nickel brass. It's worth mentioning that the 1979 5 new Pence coin was quite small compared to the old larger-sized 5 pence coin that came later. Now, let's talk about rarity and condition. The 1979 5 new Pence coin is not particularly rare, but its value can still vary depending on a few factors. The condition of the coin plays a crucial role. Coins in better condition tend to fetch higher prices among collectors. So, if you happen to find a 1979 5 new Pence coin in your collection that's well preserved with minimal wear and scratches, it might be worth more than a coin in poorer condition. So, how much could a 1979 5 new Pence coin be worth? As of my last update in September 2021, the value of this coin in average circulated condition ranges from a few pence to around £1. However, if you have a coin in mint or near mint condition, you might be looking at a slightly higher value. Remember, coin values can change over time due to various factors, such as collector demand and market trends. I recommend checking reputable coin pricing guides or consulting with professional coin dealers to get the most accurate and up-to-date information on the coin's value. And there you have it, the 1979 5 new Pence coin, a small piece of history that holds both cultural significance and potential value for collectors. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just someone curious about coins, I hope you've enjoyed this dive into the past. If you found this video informative and interesting, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more coin-related content, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing the treasures of the past. Take care and happy collecting.